Hello, students, and welcome to our English classroom. Today, we will discuss part 5 of chapter 1, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov from Your Beehive book. In previous video, we saw that Margie, when she got to know that earlier, you can say it as before 23rd century, teachers were humans who used to teach a group of children together in one single class. Margie is not able to believe that humans can ever teach anyone because she is learning under the guidance of mechanical teacher. So she is shocked. She is shocked to know that even humans can teach. She is unable to believe that how come humans or a man can teach or beat a mechanical teacher. Then Tommy tells her that why not? A man can teach or a man can be a teacher because you see, my father also knows everything whatever my mechanical teacher knows. So, definitely, there was a time when teachers were humans and they had the knowledge so that they can teach. Now, we will proceed further for this particular video. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in house. They did had a special building and all the kids went there. Now Tommy started screaming with laughter on her, on Margie. And he says, you don't know much. I think you have no proper knowledge about the schools of earlier times. Because the teachers didn't live in the houses. At that time, teachers were not living in the houses. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Like right now, we are living in 23rd century and he tells to Margie that you and me, we live in our houses and the teacher used to come in our computer screen and teach us in our own house. But earlier, at that time, the school was a special building and teachers were not living in their houses. They used to go to school and also the children. Then the teachers used to teach them. And all the kids learned the same thing and all the kids were learning the same kind of the thing and same particular type of the topic. Sure, if they were the same age. So now here definitely this comes as a question also in the mind of Margie that are they learning all the same things? Means all of them are learning the same variety of the topics. So Tommy assures her that yes, why not? But yes, they must be of the same age. Like, for example, the students are studying in all the students are studying class 5, so definitely their course will be different. And if you all are studying class ninth, your course will be different from class 5. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches, and that each kind has to be taught differently. Then Margie says that, but what my mother says is that the teacher need to be adjust her mindset up according to each and every boy and girl. And also a teacher must teach every child differently and in a different manner. So let's see what happened then. Just the same, they didn't do it that way. Then, if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. So, here they say that especially Tommy says that if you are talking about them, so they were not doing that, they were doing the same thing but not in the same way, right? They were doing it little bit differently. And if you think you are not liking this book, you don't like this school concept, you don't like the human teachers, then don't read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it. Now Margie replied very quickly, no, 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 I didn't say that I don't like this book or I don't like the topic of school. She wanted to read about those funny schools because she wanted to know about those kind of the school at that time. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called. So they were not able to even complete the half of the book, and in between, Margie's mother called her. Margie, school. So Margie is being called so as to attend her school now. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now she is saying that no, no, Mama, not now. I want to go. So Mrs. John say now, and it's probably time for Tommy too. So she says that no, while instructing her that no, you have to go for your class, and I think it's becoming time for Tommy also to reach for his class as well. Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after school?" So Margie requested Tommy that if you say, then we can read this book after the school also. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. Now, nonchalantly means not showing much interest or enthusiasm carelessly. So, he was not that much interested and he said, okay, maybe I am not sure about it. Maybe we'll read or maybe we'll not. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arms. So, whistling, that creating the sound of whistle, and the dusty old book means that same yellow book, real book. He just fixed it between his arms and then he went from there. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on the wait on and was waiting for her. So Margie was ready for attending her school. So she went to her schoolroom, which was just next to her bedroom. She don't have to go to any school building. So that was just next to her bedroom only, her school. And teacher was flashing on the screen, and he was waiting for Margie. It was always on at the same time every day, except Saturday and Sunday. So the teacher used to flash on the screen every day regularly at the same time except Sunday and Saturdays. Because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Because her mother believes that if the girls like her will read every day or will study every day or will learn every day, then they will be able to understand more and in a better way. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Now we will discuss rest in the next video.